this is Kristen Herzig. I'm a student at USF, and this is my Tableau project for Professor Luckett's Marketing Management Problems class. So for the first chart, we did a bar chart for the different beer styles, and as you can hover over that, and they're all categorized by the data set that we imported from Cigar City Brewing. Which have all their ratings and different kinds of beers. For the next data set, we did and then we just have the scatter plot in the same data set. And then question number 3, we wanted to make a tree map. So here's that you can see the most popular is the Jai Alai IPA. And then runners up, and the smaller the square, the less popular. Then finally on question number 4, I wanted to show a dashboard where all 3 sheets are interactive and 1 is used as a filter. So I did our scatter plot as a filter. You can see that data. And these interactive charts. Sorry, lights went out here. And that is our data set for Tableau. Hopefully you enjoyed this informative video.